Welcome back for Piranha Aquatics second video. In the first video, just a brief discussion about what I showed you. That was about the bonsais which we create. There were three different types of bonsais. I have given you an idea about what type of a tank size should you use to keep the bonsais. Rest the setups and all, any kind of a discussion about the bonsais and setup, you can go below the description. There is an written the description, our website as well as the contact details. You can come up. For today's video, we will be going up with different type of sculptures, the chiclet caves, which are all ceramic products which we produce. And the first one to start up would be this chiclet cave. This would be one of the shapes which we produce. The length of this chiclet cave from this part till this part, it would be till 7 inches. From here till here, it would be approximately 4.5 inches. The cave, the hole for the fishes to enter, this would be approximately around 2 to 2.5 inches. This would be the first type of shape which we give for the caves. The second would be with 2 holes in it. This would be the second chiclet cave. This one is having 2 holes in it. This would be the second shape with the same material used. And the third one would be this one. This one you can see, this one is a oval shaped thing. These are basically used for chiclets. All kinds of ciclet setups can be done by it, and this can be given for the tanks for hiding space for your lovely fishes. Now the fourth type of cave, this is the bigger one. This would be the thing. The hole, the diameter for the hole is bigger. The space inside it is bigger. And this is a flat setup. This one is basically provided for the small types of parrot fishes or different types of African chiclets which you keep. Now going for the next segment of the ceramic products would be a sculpture of Lord Buddha. This would be the sculpture for Lord Buddha. This is basically made out of ceramic. This one is very beautiful in nature. There are different setups with Buddhas. You can check it on YouTube with bamboo setup and planted. Also this can be used in a planted setup. There no harm in using in planted setup. No fear of increasing your pH values or any water parameter differences. It's absolutely safe for any kind of a setup. Now going for the third segment, this would be a mountain. This is also with the same material. This is also made up with your ceramic. You can see the different curves. This can give you a very vivid look to your aquarium if you put this thing in a centerpiece, because there is a hole in between. You can see the fishes can pass, and anybody who is using a wall aquarium, this is having basically all similar types of view from both ends. You can see this is the front view of the mountain, and I show you the back view of the mountain. This is almost the parallel views from both the sides. Now let's go to the next segment. That would be a skull. This is basically a type of chiclet cave which you can see. There are 2 holes. You can see this thing. This one is also made with the same product, the same ceramic product which was using. That way no fear of any kind of water parameters to change. And I personally like this thing very much, because at night this gives a very intense look to your aquarium. Now going for the, now this is basically a sculpture, and the color pattern which is used in the sculpture, you can see that there is a lash of green which is used over the deep shades of grey. This basic sculpture gives a very intense look to your aquarium, which can show that the showpiece is actually turned a lashes green inside your aquarium due to the algae formation. But this thing gives a very unique look to your aquarium setup which you want to do. The last product which I want to show you is a very cute and very innocent product which you can keep in your aquarium, which basically is having a look like an original thing. But I just want to show this. This would be the product which I personally love very much, because I am using this product in my aquarium, and you can see the eyes, man. They look like the frog is asking for him to take it away and put it inside some water, because it's on outside having air, cannot have his original atmosphere. And I'm having a special color also, another color for the same thing, that would be a green one. That's up to you which color you want to use. This is also made with the same product, the ceramic only. No problem with the water parameters, but I personally like the brown one. Now it's up to you guys what product you want to choose. Now guys, there is a request, please subscribe and like to our videos, and please do comment for any of the recommendations for any improvement in the video as you like. Bye guys, stay signed in. Bye.